All right, are we ready? Laws of um, logarithm. Okay, let's do laws of logarithm. Okay, we have one. Let me give you some of the laws. I'll give you 1 to 7. Log, any day you see log log m n, okay, it simply means log m, okay, then plus log n. All right, so this is what we call a product rule. Okay, don't forget, anytime we have ordinary log mn without any base, it shows that all the base are what in base 10. Okay, well, admin they put base 2, that shows this one too is in base 2, right? They'll put base 2. Okay, that shows they are in base 2. Okay, but any day they did not put any base, okay, it shows that they are always in, automatically they are in what, base 10. So number 2, anytime we have log of what, m over n, okay, in bracket, equals to what, this will be a division law, or we call it a quotient rule. That is log m minus log n. So give us, we give this one will give us a quotient rule or division rule. Okay, this is what we call quotient rule or division rule. So we go to number 3. Anytime we have log m raised to power p, so it simply means p will multiply the log m. So this is what we call a power rule or a power law. All right, so we go to the number 4. Okay, so as a student you need to master all these rules. Okay, you need the rules, okay, because we are going to be using them to calculate. So anytime we have log 1, then equals to us, it will be equals to 0. Okay, so this is what we call log of 1. Okay, so in number 5, anytime we have log m base m or log 10 base 10, they are it's equivalent to what, 1. So this is what we call log of the same number base. All right, do you see that? All right, so now let's go to number 6. So number 6 is talking about change of base. When we have log b, then base a, you can still have it as well log b base c, because we've changed the base to be what, base c. That was log a base c. Okay, this is what we call change, or we say log of change of base. All right, log of what, change of base. Okay, you get that. Okay, let's go to number 7. Number 7 is talking about when we have log 1 over m. 1 over m is talking about inverse. Okay, and we have n as a power. So this will not give us, don't forget, in this, anytime we have 1 over m, it means what? It also means n raised to power minus 1. That is an inverse form. Okay, we cannot have it as what? Log m raised to power minus n. Okay, then which is also equivalent to what? This one will not turn to another negative, that is an inverse power law, minus n log m. Okay, this is what we have. So it will now turn to what? Inverse power rule or power log. Okay, power log. Do you understand? So this is the few laws of logarithm that we have. So now let's go for calculations. Okay, let's do some examples. Okay, for example, we have we are going to do some examples together. So we have, they said, express. Okay, I think we are given this question, express as logarithm, okay, of a single number. So we have 2 log 3 plus log 6. Okay, log 6. So we have solution here. Solution. So we are going to say 2 log 3 plus log 6. All right. So how we're going to do this? Don't forget, this is similar to what our power law is. This is our power law, and this is a power law. This is how we're going to express them. You can turn it from here to this side, or you turn it the way. So what are we going to do? We're going to say log 3 raised to the power 2 plus log 6. So anytime we have something like this, and you know that log 3 raised to the power 2 means what? 3 times 3 is what? 2. So we have what? Log 9, then plus what? Log 6. Okay, and don't forget they say express as logarithm of a single number. Okay, we want to make this to be a single log. So from there, you know that this now has turned to what? A product. This is our product here. Can you see that? This is our product. So from there, we can now say log into bracket 9 times 6. Okay, from there, what are we going to get? That is what? Log 51. That is 54. That is our answer. So we've expressed it as a what? A single log. Okay. Question 2. For example, we are given that we should simplify. Simplify log 8 divided by what? Log 4. Solution. Okay. So this is what we are going to do. When they say simplify, simplify means you have to break it down to the simplest form. So, and don't forget, this is talking about a division law, like the division rule. Look at the ways of division up and down. Okay, so what are we going to do? Let's take it back. That will be log 8, then over divided by what? Log 4. Don't forget, I told you that anytime we have ordinary log of 8, it means log 8 base 10. Okay, they did not give us the base, but the base automatically is what? They are what? In base 10. All right, so from there we can have something like this. That will now be equals to what? Log. So this is a single log, so we need to put it back to a power log. So you know that log 2 raised to the power 3 is means log 8. All right, so you can see put it like this, like this. Then 4 2. How can I break 4 to index form? That will now be what? 2 raised to the power 2, and you know that it has turned to what? A power log. So from there, this 3, the power will now multiply the log. That will now be what? 3 log. From there, that is 3 log 2, then over 2 log 2. All right, at this junction, anytime in mathematics you come across something like this, 3 log 2, then 2 log 2, it means that they are in what? They are the same. So you can call it out. That will be what? 2 log 2 will cut log 2. Okay, then that will now be what? 3 over 2. So